deal failed. Profit, combined profit, $250,000. Today's date is September 6th, Saturday, 2025. I'm glad this week was over. Last week, brutal የሆነ week የነበረን በጣም tough. So it's not always sunshine. ሁሌ win ብቻ አይደለም, sometimes እንደዚህ አይነት situation ይፈጠራል. There's a reason why I'm telling you. One of the deals was my የራሴ ጥፋት ነበረ. Sometimes, underestimate situations. I did the same thing, similar deal line, was okay with this lender, but specifically, unfortunately, on this lender, they didn't want to underwriter pass ሊያደርጉ አልቻለም. So same day closing ላይ መፈረም ሲጠበቅብኝ they killed the deal. So but ከኔ ጋር no የሚባል ነገር የለም. Of course, switch lender, it's going to take 10 days, 14 days, but it's going to make it happen. ዋናው ስቶሪ የምነግራችሁ ግን ካሊፎርኒያ የነበረው ዲል it's all about integrity. So this deal, the roof, summarize ለማድረግ roof was needed to be መቀየር ነበረበት. So the contractor ደግሞ ፓርትነር ስለነበረን ካሊፎርኒያ ብዙም ኢንሲስት ማድረግ አልቻልኩም. I told him የኔ idea was roof ይቀየር ወይ ክሬዲት ልስጣቸው ለባየሮቹ so that we have no issue. ሁሉ ነገር አሪፍ ነበር ግን unfortunately they decided ኮንትራክተሩ ሩፉን ለመቀባት ቀብቶ አዲስ አስመሰሉት. but again ባየሮቹ ኢንስፔክት ሲያደርጉ they came find out ሩፉ እንደተቀባ አዲስ አለመሆኑን. so they felt like የሆነ some type of way because honesty is always important. Unfortunately because of that ዲሉ ፌል አደረገ ማለት ነው. almost 3 weeks wasted. but again we're back ባልኩት መሰረት now ለአዲሱ ባየሮች ክሬዲት ሰጠናቸው 16,000 18,000 something like that ለሩፉ. so everything is clear. we're supposed to close አሁን በ19 ማለት ነው. ዛሬ 6 ነው 10 days ምናምን አካባቢ. so that's the moral of the story. so last week 3 closing ነበር actually schedule የተደረገው. ሁለቱ ፌል አደረገ. አንዱ ፊኒክስ አሪዞና we went through close አደረግን. this was creative finance ነበር እሱ. እነዚህ ሁለቱ ሜጋ ዲሎቹ ፎርክሎዥር የነበሩ ናቸው. ፊኒክስ አሪዞና was creative finance በዜሮ የገዛ ነው ፕሮፐርቲ. ኮሚኒቲ ውስጥ ኤፍሬም ስቱዲዮ ኦነሩ ጋር ዙም አደርገን the whole experience ታይቷላችሁ. this guy was amazing, crazy guy. but we became friends. almost 40 ቀን ምናምን ፈጀ ክሎዚንጉ. ግን throughout that was a whole lot of drama. አላወቀም creative finance how it works. በጣም ብዙ ችግር ፈጠረ. was drama ብቻ. anyways አለቀ. አግሪ አድርጓል ዙም ሬከርድ ኤክስፒሪየንሱን ለማድረግ so that ኮሚኒቲ ውስጥ ሌሎቻችሁ እንድትማሩበት ማለት ነው. so that was the moral of the story. ሜምበር ያልሆናችሁ ኮሚኒቲውን ጆን አድርጉ. ኤፍሬም ስቱዲዮ learn how to do real estate. ምንም with zero will teach you guys. we have amazing የሆኑ ግሩፕ አሉን ውስጥ ክሬቲቭ የሆኑ አክቲቭ ሜምበርስ እናስተምራችኋለን. you don't need no money. you need couple hours a day. ኢንቨስት አድርጉ እና ፊውቸራችሁን እንዲስተካከል ማለት ነው. anybody can do this. let's go.